Day 65, a bit windy, so try and block the wind if I can. Yeah, we're pretty much ready to pour today. The guys are still finishing off certain bits and like making lines on walls and stuff like that. General admin, I call it. Rolling still taking place. So, as I said last night, this is basically that's how far back the garage is actually going. So the driveway's going to come in, garage goes back to there. So technically that is the rear support element of the garage, which is what he's rolling now. These guys are making sure things are tied, making sure all the actual concrete spacers, smocks, are all in place. I assume that they're getting ready for the pour. I'm hoping they actually taped up some of the holes that I found. Got to make sure they've done that. I'm going to inspect that in a second. You can see tape there, look. There is certain bits of tape on there, so I've double checked that they're all done. Because any holes in that, it's just going to let water in. So, yeah, other than that, it literally is today. I think their main goal at the moment is obviously to prepare for concrete pumps to come. But I would have thought they'd be preparing for now. Need to pour first thing in the morning. So I need to find out whether that is the case. The site manager doesn't seem in the office at the moment, so I'll grab him in a second and find out what the plan actually is. But as far as I'm aware, that's what the goal is today, is to physically pour. So that can set off, so we can then start obviously blocking up. That's the main aim. So obviously still need to finish this net here and build the wall here, but I think all of that is pretty much secondary to the main pouring goal. So we'll find out a bit later on. But anyway, that's pretty much where we are so far, so I'll update you a bit later on. Okay, so it's 4:30, just returned to site, everyone's gone. But obviously there's shed loads to be done today. That need to be finished off, and then obviously they've done that, so we can get off early because tomorrow the big job's going to start. Pouring of concrete. The setting out the pool is done. It looks like majority of the floor is all finished off, everything's patched up. Concrete smocks are all in the actual pit, all done. The pool is marked out on the floor. I'll spin it around in a second so you can actually see that completely marked out. And the wall itself for the containers as well. So this is obviously where the wall's going to go right across to try and stop water coming backwards. This, as far as I'm aware, is the steps that go down beside the pool. I think that's the deck itself, one side. That's also going to have water irrigation inside as well, so there's 12,000 gallons of irrigation to go into there. This is the steps to the pool, and then technically that is the pool. And then you can't really see the actual deck area this side because obviously there's a large proportion of it that's behind here, but technically it's 10 foot this side. The pool itself right through, and then there's basically an infinity edge, which is where these two orange lines are, and then you've got the water trough that goes all around the outside where the water will go over the edge, and that will be the view straight to the sea. So everything else seems to be all done. The man is finally here fixing the concrete mixer. Apparently they've had loads of problems with it, which is typical when they need it. Other than that, we're pretty much done. So tomorrow's the big day. So as far as I'm aware, they're going to aim to try and have concrete trucks here tomorrow, but I think they've been struggling. So it's either going to be tomorrow or Friday. So fingers crossed it's tomorrow, but I think it's going to end up being Friday, which is a bit of a pain. But anyway, all done for today. So here's today 60. Tomorrow 65 or 66? Never remember. Anyway, checking out.